How to get Telegram stars for free in the year 2026. Telegram stars are the in-app currency used on Telegram to purchase digital goods, support content creators, and access premium content. The most straightforward free method is to participate in official Telegram promotional events and giveaways that occasionally reward active users with stars, which you can easily find on Facebook groups or Telegram groups. Now, another thing that you can do is to join Telegram channels and communities related to crypto, gaming, or Telegram itself, as these communities frequently run star giveaway contests. Just follow the instructions posted on those channels to enter and potentially win free stars. Now, you can also do some mini games. So, some Telegram mini apps and games reward you with stars for completing tasks, reaching milestones, or referring new users. These are these types of games such as Hamster Combat and others. Now, what you're going to do is you can just download this through your Telegram app and then just explore available games and apps that offer star rewards for activity. Also, look for Telegram bot referral programs because some bots offer stars or star equivalent rewards when you invite friends to use them. You can share your referral link and earn rewards when your friends sign up. Another thing that you can do is to content creation. If you run a Telegram channel or bot, your followers can send you stars as a form of tip or support. So what you can do is you're just going to head over to your Telegram and then just click on this edit button right there or add a new message. And then from there, you're going to create a new channel. Now, from this page, you are going to add your members. So for example, I'm just going to add several from here or whoever you want. I'm going to add this person, just going to hit on arrow, and then you're going to create your channel name, your description, as well as your profile picture right here. And then you can start promoting this channel through groups. Growing your Telegram presence and creating valuable content encourages your audience to send you stars voluntarily. But always be cautious of third-party websites claiming to give free Telegram stars in exchange for your account credentials. These are almost always scams. Only use official Telegram features and legitimate community giveaways to earn stars safely.